Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. You'll know when I'm looking this good, I always say it's because a good wig is on my head, okay? And a good wig is from Luvme Hair, because whenever I speak, the hair speaks as well. Whenever I move, the wig moves. Okay, look at this. This is a stunning, you guys. This is a deep curly wig, and it came like this. The only thing that I had to do was just to put it on my head and, you know, zhoo up the curls just to separate them so that they can look this nice and full. It came bouncy, so don't be fooled. Okay, you don't have to do much. Okay, I love the way it moves. I love everything about this wig. So without any further ado, you guys, let's get straight into today's. Oh, wait. This wig is glueless, so I did not glue it down. Relax. Okay, so without any further ado, you guys, let's get straight into today's video.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
So guys, I want to show you what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is their purple and silver box, and let me show you guys all the goodies that they sent me. They were kind enough to send me this branded wig storage bag, a branded Luvme hair comb, hair clipper, an edge brush, edge comb combo, and of course an HD wig cap. Now onto the star of the show. This is a deep curly wig, and as y'all can see, it is nice and bouncy. It is very shiny. I love these curls so much. They are absolutely beautiful. This is a 5x5 lace closure. Came pre-cut. As y'all can see, it is nicely cut right there. I'm very fascinated by the fact that, you know what, you don't have to take off your wig whenever you want to scratch your hair. So this is a breathable cap. Really love that about Luvme Hair. The wig has 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 right here at the back, and then they have, oh my goodness, Luvme Hair is extra. Okay, look at this. This is the band. All right, it is branded. Okay. It is a non-slip band to secure your wig as well, and this wig also has these adjustable belts as well. So now what I love about the 5x5 lace cloth, oh my goodness, the parting is nicely done. Look at this. This is stunning. Okay, look at the lace. Literally, it melts, it disappears. So what I love most about this, these 5x5 lace closures, especially from Luvme Hair, they've got literally the biggest parting space, so you're going to get that a frontal closure effect without doing much. Okay, look at that. Stunning. I love this wig. So I'm quickly going to put this on and show you how it looks. I am really loving the, you know, the deep curl. Okay, the deep curl is doing what it's supposed to do. They are nice and thick. They are bouncy. As y'all can see, this is a pre-everything wig. Okay, they've done literally everything for you. So if you are a beginner, get yourself this wig and you won't regret it. I cannot wait to see how it looks on me. Stunning. Yeah, no, I love it. Dimshe. No, I am beautiful, guys. Yo, I am beautiful. Look how these curls move. Okay, I did nothing to this wig. Okay, the only thing that I did was just to put it on my head. Okay, it is nice and secure. Okay, so which means this wig is not going anywhere. I literally just transformed. Okay, I transformed. I'm going to use a little bit of mousse just to tame down the, you know, flyaways, and just to also separate the curls. I love the way these curls are moving. They are moving. We are moving. Okay. Oh, this is stunning, guys. Look at that. Guys, look at the parting space. This is absolutely gorgeous. They did such a great job with, you know, the plugging of this parting and the bleaching of the knots. Okay, just want to comb them out a bit using my fingers. Nothing hectic because the curls are nice and soft. So this full look is doing what it's supposed to do. This is stunning. This is nice. This is beautiful. No, I can see Nami that, you know what, this is the Mimi that I know. Okay, this is the Mimi that I know. Whenever she's wearing a Luvme hair, she glows. Okay.
I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, you guys, bye.